don't come to Norway. If you're really a refugee, we will come to you. They want to have the welfare system, and I'm sorry, we can't have it that way.
جونمون در خطر بوده. خب از افغانستان فرار کردیم آمدیم بریم یک جای پناهنده شیم. حالا ما انتخاب ما نروژ بوده.
Many of those asylum seekers has been told us that they are getting information about the open borders to Norway, and they're getting information that Norway now will give permission to stay for everybody. And this is wrong information which they have collected on the internet and especially social media. So we need to get the correct information to the same channel as they use for collecting their information. If we are going to use all the money here in Norway for helping the relatively few people coming to Norway, we will not be able to help millions that are staying behind in Turkey, in Jordan, in Lebanon, and then we will have a much larger scale on the immigration crisis.
یه خبر امروز شنیدیم که نروژ همچین چیزی گفته. باید برم بشینم با خانوادم حرف بزنم، صحبت کنم. ما قطعا در کشوری که پناهجو نپذیرم